To add your NameCheap domain to SimpleLogin, simply head over to Domains and insert your domain name inside the input field. In our case, the domain name is yappycare.com. Select a default email alias associated with it and click on Create. Now it's time to add the DNS records to our DNS zone in NameCheap. So let's head over to NameCheap, and this is our main dashboard. Here are all our products. You can see some have a domain and hosting, and some as just the domain. You can see some of my products have a hosting associated with it, and some are just domains. In our case, yappycare.com is just a domain, so let's click on Manage next to it. The next step is going to Advanced DNS, and here is the DNS zone where we can add our records. As you can see, I have 2 Cname records already. These are not associated with SimpleLogin whatsoever. As you can see, the first record we have to add is a TXT record. So let's head over to Host Records and add New Record. Then let's select TXT record. The host is the domain, as you can see, or the @ symbol. And let's click to copy the value. Let's put @ and the value, let's paste it from the documentation. You can leave automatic there and then click on Save Changes. Great, so let's save all changes just to be sure. And this is fine, this is just the new one we were creating. Cool, so let's head back here and click on Verify. As you can see, this is not verified yet. This can take a little bit of time. As you can see, it can take up to 24 hours, but we will check back later and see if it's verified. In the meantime, let's add the MX record as well. So let's head over here, click on Add New Record, and as you can see, it's not here. This is because these are the records connected to your domain, not to your mails. So let's head over to the mail settings here and click on Custom MX. As you can see, the host is the same one, the priority is 10, and we have this one here. So let's copy it. The host is the @ symbol, the mail server is this one, and the priority is 10. Cool, so let's save all changes, add a new record, same thing. Let's copy the second one, which is MX2, and the priority is 20. Let's click on Save All Changes. And this is it. All the other records are optional. You can add them, but they're not mandatory. To add them, simply add them to here if it's related to the mail forwarding, or here if it's related to the domain. Okay, we can now click on Verify, and you will see domain ownership is verified. Please proceed to the other records for setup. And the other records are MX records, the one we just inserted, and here we go. Both are verified, and now the others are optional. Which means if you go back to aliases and click on Create New Alias, you will see the option to create it with your domain. So let's say I want support@yappycare.com, and I want the alias to be linked to my mailbox giorgiosimplel@gmail.com. Let's create it. And here you go. Now we have a professional email address, which looks like a professional email address, but it's in reality an alias, and it will redirect to your Gmail account. Just one note from the NameCheap support. If you have other Cname records as we had before, those will suppress the TXT record in their advanced DNS section. So what you have to do is convert your Cname records to alias records, and that will stop suppressing the last record, and it will become active, and you will be able to add additional records in here. This is very important for the main TXT record and also for the other optional ones. Hope this helps, and see you in the next video.